What is up guys, how are you all doing today? I'm joined once again by Josh and we're going to be trying to conquer the new DELE ALLI challenge. We've got the last one mastered, pretty easy now, even dual wheeled, and yeah, it's going to work the same way as last video. We're going to skip the tutorial part because we're going to master it that well that we're going to master every single step of the process, how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do that at this time right here, so skip to that, I'm going to see that. But until then, me and Josh are going to be doing some research, trying to work out how to do this, and hopefully it'll be pretty funny like last time.
Yeah.
And are you ready to go, Josh?
Yes.
Let's do it. Alright then guys, so as you can see up here, this is the new DELE ALLI challenge, and it looks impossible. I literally have no idea how that even works at all. So he's actually fully got like, I actually don't know, I swear he's got like 7 fingers. I literally have no idea how this one's done. I feel like this is the next level, like this is unreal. And actually DELE ALLI didn't start this one, it was I think some girl put it out and then DELE ALLI took it up and it became his new trend or new challenge, but it's still unreal how he's managed to do that so quickly. That is nowhere near Josh. Oh, this is where it originated from, this video. Look, it just looks unreal. Okay, so this is a footage from the backstage at Tottenham, and this is him. This is DELE ALLI doing the new challenge, and Eric Dyer can do it now. And is that Dembele? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, what the hell? That looks so creepy. That looks so creepy. Let's have a look. Let's have a close up. He's got his pointy finger out. That's not even like in play. This is not even in play. How does that work? That one.
Boom, done it.
Have you? Oh no, yeah. Nowhere near, Josh. So it's like that. So he's got a pinch. He's got. Oh no, wait, what? And then.
Oh, what? What?
Yeah? Not quite. Go on, try.
Embarrassing.
Try.
Embarrassing.
Try.
It's embarrassing.
How's it embarrassing? I can't do it either. Right, let's just inspect, right? So is.
Look at that smile.
What are you thinking? You have to look where each finger is. Like, do it by finger, I reckon.
So this one's there.
Yeah.
That one's there.
Yeah.
Oh, my nose is in the way.
Your nose is in the way.
My nose is in the way.
Just take your nose off. That's what he's done, is it?
Whoa!
It gets more mind-blowing the more times you try it. Alright then guys, so this was taking way too long for me and Josh to do. We literally have no idea. We kind of had a little bit of an idea for the last one. You could kind of see how it works, it was just hard to do. But this one I literally have no idea even where to start. So I think we found a decent tutorial now. We're going to watch it and try and work it out for ourselves and maybe see if there's a better way to do this, and then hopefully jump onto the tutorial to show you guys how to do it.
6 hours later.
Wait. I can do it! Josh, is that it? Josh!
Oh, I've done it!
Wait, no you haven't. Wait, have I actually done it? Josh, I think I've actually done it.
I've almost done it.
No you haven't.
You haven't.
I beat you on this one. I beat you first on this one.
Hey!
That is not it, bro.
It is.
Oh no, it's my come loose. Look at that, bro. I'll put the goggles on you. Oh, that's what we can do. When we both can do, we put goggles on each other. It should be the goggle challenge. I like goggles, aren't they? There you go, guys. Look at that. I think I'm actually genuinely made to do it. My wrist looks so deformed, but you know, maybe I'll do like that.
No.
You're not getting anywhere. Shall I show you how to do it?
Go on.
Right.
2 hours later.
Alright then guys, so finally after many attempts Josh managed to actually get it, and I put a picture right in here because he's actually gone downstairs to play some more Fortnite. You know what they're like. But yeah, now it's time for the comprehensive tutorial on how to do the new DELE ALLI hand trick. Let's do this. So unlike the last hand trick where I said it was very mental because it's actually quite easy to do, no pain at all in it, this one isn't too hard to do actually. After thinking about it and actually doing it, it's not as hard. I would say it's actually easier than this one, but it hurts. Yeah. And if it does hurt a lot when you try and bend your fingers back in this, then don't bother, it's not worth it realistically, is it? But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so first step is you get your thumb and from your pinky finger, one across, those 2 fingers, like that. Get them together, nice and tight. The second thing you do is you get your pinky finger and push it right up against your this finger here, your second finger in. So push it right against it as far as you can. Some people can do this for some reason. I can do it pretty well. Josh couldn't really seem to push it in very well, so I don't think that's why he found it quite hard to do. Maybe it's because he's young, I don't know. But yeah, so push it as far in as you can if you can do it. Step 3 is to do with this finger right here. So you actually need to do a bit of force with your other hand unless you can do it yourself. But eventually, after you've done this a few times, you can build the flexibility in this finger and just do it easily with one hand. So now in this step, what you want to try and do is get the top of your pinky finger to rest inside the crease of your third finger in, like this. And you can bend your finger in, then obviously bend your third finger in and make that shape. That is the hardest part to do. It may hurt your pinky finger quite a lot. Like, this is hurting a bit. I feel like I have a bendy pinky finger. Weird thing to say, but Josh couldn't do this at all, which is why he was finding it hard, this part of it. So you gotta bend it back. Like I said, if this hurts too much, just don't bother carrying on. But that's basically what you do. So there, from this position, push it in a bit and just get it into that crease of your third finger and make this shape. And then step 4 is super simple. You just have to rotate your hand into position and put it against your face like that. Super simple, and yeah, like I said, it does hurt, don't bother. But I think I'm getting used to it a bit more now. I think you can build up a bit of flexibility in it and you should be able to do it a lot easier. But I still can't do it without actually touching my fingers. Whoa, I couldn't do that before. Okay, that's mad. Like that. Oh, that is so cool. Right, that's mad. I'm learning during my own tutorial. What is this? I have no idea. Look, I can actually do it super smooth now. Bam, 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 bam. Here we go, you ready? This is the ultimate thing. There you go, okay, go into it. Double hands, bam. That was sick. So with that being said, I'll add in step 5. After a while, practice it loads and get your fingers to be more flexible, and then just literally put your finger on like that without the movement of your left hand, like pushing it in. Anyway guys, thank you for watching that video. That is actually crazy. I didn't realise I'd be able to end up doing it like this after this video, so that's super cool. I learned how to do it in my own tutorial, showing you how to do it. I have no idea either. But hopefully, like in the last video, which was the original DELE ALLI challenge, which I'll link in the description down below if you still can't do this. The tutorial was super comprehensive and showed you how to do every step, which is what I'm aiming for. I want you to be able to watch it once and be able to do it. If not, obviously guys, I'll be helping you in the comments, trying to give you some advice and guidance if I can. So go and leave a comment, I'll reply to you guys as usual. Also leave a like if you did enjoy this video, or if you can do this now, definitely leave a like. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, never seen me before, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. I love that.